Good evening! Ang cringe naman. Good evening! I'm currently here in Doha, Qatar. Pero I'm leaving soon. I'm traveling to somewhere in Europe or Asia. Good morning, Cappadocia! Kahit afternoon na, nasa Cappadocia na kami. And I'm gonna give you a room tour. So here's the door. My Hamsa symbol here, and there's another Hamsa there. Telephone, and this is the bed. Tapos nilagay lang namin yung balloons inside para hindi makalat. And these are real dried flowers. Etchos nila. Etchos ni Stephen. And look at the view! May another hotel there. Hindi ko na i-open kasi baka makita. Ay, 2 layers pala ng screen yun. Yan yung living area. May 2 chairs dyan. Super laki ng room. Tapos, here, may ano lang. Trash lang namin yun. And then, another cute window. Tsaka may, I don't know what do you call this. May safe, may fridge. And there's us. Tas yung AC here. Tas super laki ng CR. Parang another, sorry, ang pangit ko. Parang pwede ng another room. This one is bigger than our Istanbul room. Tapos, the toilet, walang bidet, pero may tabo kaming dala. There. And the mirror. And the wash basin. Let's switch on the light. Let there be light. The name of the hotel is Henna Cappadocia. There. I'm so happy. Are you happy? What can you say?
This is very good.
Very good. We're just gonna rest and then we're gonna go out in a while to grab some dinner and explore downtown Cappadocia. See you later. What is it? Do you like the view?
Ha?
Do you like the view?
The view lang. Ako magpunta Macau.
So small.
Video yan.
For me, yes. We're here. Okay. Too hot. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Pottery kebab.
Pinky promise.
I ordered pottery kebab. And he ordered, ano yung order mo? Chicken something and magko-coke siya and ako.
You want the glass?
I will have a
You want the one bottle. Croissant kalajikar. Parang kaldereta lang.
Ha?
Parang kaldereta.
Oo. Kalimutan mo yung kaldereta.
Hindi na mahal sa'yo. Parang nagkandeta na kasi nga ganyan bell pepper.
Ang kaldereta ko. May bell pepper din.
Ay, alam ko na, puro tomato paste sa'yo. Kahit tomato paste. Last ng tomato.
Rino. Panay Rino. Good morning. We're going for the hot air balloon this morning. Time check, ano na ba? 4:35 a.m. Yung pick up namin is 4:55. Ito lang yung fit check. My old Zara dress. Nireuse ko lang. Tapos nagulat ako. Medyo puffy yung hair ko. And then, that's it. Oh, fit check ka naman. Uniqlo boy. Uniqlo.
Ay, dito Uniqlo?
Oh, saan yung pants?
Age jeans yan.
AG jeans daw. Tapos yung top Uniqlo. Of course. Naka-video ako. Tapos inaangat-angat mo yung damit ko.
Uniqlo ka age jeans.
Anyway, he's a Uniqlo boy. And proud. See you later. Ulitin ko daw kasi nangangulangot daw siya. Are you excited?
Not yet.
Are you scared?
No.
Are you scared of heights?
No.
Ako, oo. Wish me luck. Luck. Ang mukha kang penguin maglakad kasi it's full of cobblestones. So, hirap. Tapos, pa-slide pa yung daan. Hello, good morning. We're here. Reception of our hotel. It's an hotel. Ay, look at the cute doggo. Hello, doggo. Hello, cutie pie. What's your name? What's your name? Dog person si Stephen. Madami silang dogs. Hello. You're so cute. Hinabol ka. Bye. Bye. Bye. You're so cute.
Pardon?
Breakfast. And payment.
If you want to pay the cash?
Yes, please.
Okay. What's your hotel name?
Anna.
321. Enjoy the breakfast.
Okay, thank you.
You know, it's old man humor at this point, you know? No. That's why it's just yeah. But it seems like they were yeah, it seems like they were yeah.
Diyan ka sa Bukana. Sa loob ba?
Oh, pinaba. They're gonna inflate our balloon.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Please, attention, just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Everybody listen me, please. Just 1 minute. No picture, no camera, because of I am going to give you two very important things we have to do on the board, okay? Firstly, my name is Gökhan. I am going to be your pilot this morning. We have two very important things we have to do on the board. First and most important thing, very important thing, landing position. Biraz. 1 metre daha. Tamam.
Ay.
Not yet, don't worry. Atma. Geriye doğru çek. Geliyor. İleriye doğru. İtelim şimdi. Geriye gelecek. Geliyor. Hafif geriye doğru çekelim. Sağ tarafı tutalım.
Very nice. Yay. Wow. Expert. Zoom mo. Todo na yan.
Lumapit ha? Hindi ka lumapit.
Sabi mo, video ka ta.
Okay nga, dapat sinusundan mo ako. Tulak mo. Hindi, tulak mo. Ang layo mo, halatang hindi ka. Halatang wala ka sa balon. Tulak mo. Yan.
Thank you so much. Congratulations, good kurwa, oh.
Okay.
Getting dropping hole.
Excuse me, this side.
Probably this side.
Yay! So heavy.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go.
So heavy.
1, 2, 3, 4, go. 1, 2, thank you so much. Thank you to this, thank you sister, thank you brother.
Thank you.
And thank you for a good table and flowers for my team. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay, 3, 2, where are you going? Goreme this way, Goreme. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year.
Okay guys, please if you say no alcohol or mix, tell my friend. Otherwise,
I want mimosa.
Okay, you wanna mimosa, kendimi yıkadım. Bir şey değil mi? Mimosa mı?
Para madali upload.
Just
Ay, ang dumi.
Ha?
From the hot air balloon.
mimosa.
Pag-decorate.